Hey, I'm Tina, one of the account managers at Dice, and I just want to walk you through how to add, delete, or reorder contacts in Matrix data entry.
When you first access data entry, you're brought to the Subscriber tab. To access contacts, you'll simply press on the Contacts tab. This will bring you to all of the contacts already associated with the account. In order to edit this list, you're going to utilize the toolbar below. In order to delete a contact, you simply select the contact you'd like to delete and press delete. It will ask you to ensure you'd like to delete the contact, and you press OK. You'll notice that the contact is immediately removed from the list. In order to add a contact, you simply press Add, type in the contact information, press Save, answer any questions associated with the contact, and then you'll notice that the contact is immediately added to the list. In the event that you'd like to reorder this list, you simply press Reorder, and here you can drag contacts up and down the list per your preference. You click Save, and you'll notice the list is updated based on the changes you just made. If you have any questions with adding, deleting, or reordering contacts, please reach out to support.